chilly morning. Moon. Sun's still in bed at the moment, but that guy isn't. Where you going, mate? You'll be back. Good morning. Another day. It's a little bit earlier this morning. It's about 6 o'clock. You can see the moon. Cheeky bugger. I'm just about to get up. Oh, tired this morning, but that's okay. I stayed up pretty late last night. Oh. Ended up going for a nice walk along the beach. I didn't even know there was a beach here. But yeah, gonna get up, have a coffee and get the day started. Got the rum factory today, so I don't even drink rum, but I'm still excited. This is my morning pill collection. These are just like boost things. Got the fish oil, other vitamin tablets, coffee. Oh, we're on. Another beautiful morning. Go do my morning walk past my neighbours. Got my cup of joes. It is friggin' cold this morning, but that's okay. Last night it smelled like someone was burning plastic, so I'm not sure if it was me mate up there. He's been here a while supposedly, or if it was one of my mates down here. But either way, it stunk. It still stinks a little bit, but that's okay. So today's plan is finally make it to the rum factory and ginger beer, if it's two different factories maybe, but I'm not sure, so I'll work that out. Do that, and then I've got dinner tonight. I'm going to this place near the beach. It was actually really nice, where I went for a walk last night, so I'll go there and check out the food. Yeah, this town's actually really pretty now that I've discovered the beach. Before that I thought it was just, you know, a regular country town, but it's actually got water very close, so I'll go there tonight and take some videos, and yeah, hopefully we have another full moon and I can see that. Lots of dogs through here through the day. This is a dog park. Makes me miss Daphne, but she's in good hands, and I FaceTimed her the other day and she's doing well. This sun's taking its time to come up, but when it does, it's really nice. So on this fence you can see all that weeding and stuff. It actually flooded here not long ago. I was talking to a local last night, and when it flooded it got rid of all these homeless people out of here. Supposedly they used to call this Tent City, and there was tents everywhere. So they're slowly making their way back. You can see up there's a few setups, but yeah, honestly it's a beautiful spot to live, but just living in a tent forever would be pretty hard. I don't know what it is, but I always froth over a sunrise. Nice spot. Hot coffee. Could be worse. Nothing like a swing in the morning. Booking confirmed. 10 o'clock. Finish this shake. Get some solar in and we'll head over. Alright, it is 9:10. The tour is booked for 10 o'clock, so I'm going to head over. I'm going to take my little house with me. I don't really want to leave it here just in case people get a bit touchy. So we'll head over there and see what it's about. I don't drink rum, I don't really enjoy rum, but it's pretty cool. And if you like rum, it's probably for you. Let's go. Alright, we just got the rum factory. Feels like I'm going into a tour of Charlie and Chocolate Factory. Kind of wish I was. I prefer chocolate over rum, but I'm going to get inside. It's 9:30. They've got a little bit of a museum to look at before you go on your tour. So it looks like it's me and a bunch of I don't know, 70-year-olds, grey nomads. I'll go and make some friends and make the most of it. This place is wicked. So many bottles. Got my Bechet bag. Salted caramel. Tour is done. It was actually really good, and it was only what, $30, so super awesome. Now I just, at the end of it, you get 2 free shots or 2 free drinks. It actually hit me pretty hard because I haven't eaten today yet. But yeah, oh my god, there's a trailer just like mine. That's the smaller version though. I got the bigger version and the better car. Awesome. Time to go get some lunch. Okay, so my thoughts on the tour. It was unreal. Definitely worth the $30. So it's $30, but at the end you get 2 free drinks, which, you know, $15 a drink, that's not a bad price. The tour guides were great, Eb and Jaden. If you get them, you'll be in good hands. It's funny, they take you through the whole process, and it's actually super interesting. Great value for money, and if you're in the area, I'd definitely recommend it. For now, I'm going to get a coffee. I've made a local friend because I'm so friendly, and we're going to get a coffee, and then I'm going to just come back here and chill for the rest of the afternoon. And they're also going to show me on the weekend some sandy 4-drive tracks, which should be pretty cool. Tomorrow, I'm just going to pack up and reorganize, do some laundry, all that sort of fun stuff. I might stay at a caravan park tomorrow night and just fill up the water tank and do the laundry and yeah, all that sort of stuff. I'm still showering. I've got a shower tent and a shower, travel shower thing. It's like a sack that you put water in, and it dribbles down and washes you. I did it last night. I've done it every night. It's actually really good. Tonight I might go for dinner. There's a beach close by, and there's a beautiful restaurant there, or a pub. It looked really nice that I saw last night, so I might go there and just try out the local food. Anyways, if you're still here and still tuning in, thanks for following. Thanks for keeping up. The daily vlogs continue. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you don't see me for the rest of the afternoon, you know I'm chilling and killing and having a great time. Keep smiling, get out there, do some adventuring, do something spontaneous. I've got a good spontaneous story from last night, but we'll save that for another time. La de vedere.